Hey, what's up everybody? I am back with another unboxing. This shipped from Fort Worth, Texas. Overnight delivery all the way to South Bend, Indiana. I believe this is my brand new phone. Well, my refurbished brand new to me phone through Verizon. Yep. So they sent me certified like new. I believe this is a Samsung S8. So it's got that. It's got a SIM card. I'm not going to show you that. We'll leave that on there, I think. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I need to get a new phone. You're watching my last video that will be on my old phone, which was a Samsung Galaxy Note 4. This is a S9. Oh, cool. Came with some earbuds. It's got a charger and a stylus. Oh, I didn't know it had a stylus. That's pretty cool. So I need to get more chargers just in case. But I'm pretty excited about this. I'm hoping that it all goes well and that I can figure it all out. I'm not going to bore you to tears. What do you guys think? What phone do you have? What do you think of the S9? Leave a comment below, and happy interneting and phoning with your phone. Thanks so much for watching. I'm looking forward to it. This is a screen. Seems pretty comparable. It's a longer phone, but it looks like it's slightly less wide, but we're going to figure it out. We're going to get this going, and hopefully by the time you see this video, I'll have another video, my first video with this phone. Wish you the best. Have a great day.